The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly define the term indicating switch or circuit breaker. However, industry standards and common practices offer guidance. An indicating switch or circuit breaker must visibly indicate whether it is in the on or off position. This indication can be achieved through a mechanical or electrical indicator. Mechanical indicators may include a physical lever or handle that moves to specific positions, such as a toggle switch. Electrical indicators may use a pilot light or LED to show the device's status. Examples of indicating switches and circuit breakers include square DQO circuit breakers with a visible window that shows the on or off position, schematic circuit breakers with an on or off toggle switch, and circuit breakers with a trip indicator or colored handle that shows the trip status. Indicating switches or circuit breakers are required to provide visual confirmation of their operating status for safety and maintenance reasons. They allow users to quickly and easily determine if a circuit is energized or de-energized, which can prevent accidental contact with live wires and equipment. Based on the industry definition and common practice, a switch or circuit breaker used as a disconnecting means must have a visible indicator that clearly shows whether it is in the on or off position. This can be achieved through mechanical levers, toggles, or electrical indicators like pilot lights or LED. In general, the purpose of requiring indicating switches and circuit breakers as disconnecting means revolves around safety, ease of identification, and compliance with electrical codes and standards. Firstly, indicating the on or off status provides immediate visual confirmation of whether a circuit is energized or de-energized, preventing accidental contact with live components during maintenance or repairs. Secondly, this clear indication helps in quickly identifying the status of a circuit, which is essential for troubleshooting, especially in complex electrical systems. Thirdly, using indicating devices as disconnecting means ensures that installations comply with the National Electrical Code and other relevant safety standards, which are designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. In practice, several types of switches and circuit breakers meet the requirement of being indicating. These include standard toggle switches which have a clear on and off position, circuit breakers with handles that visibly show the tripped on or off status, and switches or circuit breakers equipped with pilot lights or LED that illuminate to indicate when the circuit is energized. Some circuit breakers also feature a small window displaying the on or off status. Choosing the right indicating switch or circuit breaker involves considering the specific application, the environment in which it will be used, and any applicable electrical codes or standards. For example, in a residential setting, a standard circuit breaker panel with indicating handles is typically sufficient. In industrial settings, where more robust and visible indicators may be necessary, devices with pilot lights or trip indicators might be preferred. Proper installation and maintenance of these devices are crucial to ensure they function correctly and continue to provide the necessary safety benefits. Regular inspections can help identify any issues, such as a broken handle or a malfunctioning indicator light, which can then be addressed promptly.